Is
Hey,
the video on?
Today we
Yeah,
are
I'm
going to
filming.
explore
Guys.
caves with
The new caves coming?
the new caves.
Yeah.
And
Okay, guys, do not go in the water. Come here.
Too late.
We're just gonna walk.
So it looks like the crystal's blue. Just jump
That's
in.
new. That's new.
Whoa! No!
Hey, I heard rumors that there is a new shark. There's a shark.
Yeah. Shark! 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 Shark!
Oh my gosh. I've heard that you can grab onto it.
Wait, wait. Wait, can it eat you? Can it eat you?
No. I'm on the shark. Don't
We're-
leave us. I can't. Guys, come on, let's go.
I'm swimming after the shark.
Come on, where are you guys?
I'm going to see if the shark can eat you. Is this a friend of?
Guys, where are you? Where are you?
We're in the music room.
We're coming. Let me get the shark.
The shark does not eat you. Yeah. Wait, does the crystal still work? They do. They just have like, you just know it's underwater. Come on, let me just grab on the shark. And then you can just go. Yeah, I think that's all for the new caves. Oh wait, you can change your name, your color.
Guys, let's go explore the new cosmetics.
Yeah. So we're
We
going
gotta
to check
show
out.
the followers.
Look. Wait, can
Is that Matt the Bat? Give me Matt the Bat. I gotta show the followers. Hold on.
come back here?
Thank you. Matt the Bat. Good job, bro. Come on.
Oh man,
Follow me.
you can't go past.
I know.
So we're gonna check out the new cosmetics.
Yeah.
I seen them. So
I know. We're just showing the followers. No, dang it.
okay. Behind you. Yeah.
Ow.
Oh yeah. The Lego room's closed.
Whoa.
Yo, this is.
Girl, put on. Are you a girl?
Yes.
Okay, put on every single cosmetic.
I'm gonna put on all the cosmetics. Oh my goodness, they added. Oh my goodness, they added me. Oh my goodness.
Okay, let me see how many I have right now.
I'm gonna put on the best cosmetics.
I can grab one more. I can get one more.
I'm putting on the best cosmetics.
Come on. I only have 200.
I have 1,200.
Bro, you're lucky.
So first
I
we
don't
have.
like. Ow!
How does this thing work? Ooh, I almost got the hang of it. Oh, look. They added me. Eee. I might buy this. Should this be my new outfit?
Yeah.
It's decent.
I'm swimming.
But,
Come on, follow me. Wait. Talk in your normal voice.
Why?
Because you sound like one of my friends. And you have the same name as her.
Oh my goodness.
Talk in your normal voice.
Okay. And then what we were all waiting for, the new pack.
Bro, talk in your real voice.
I am.
Okay.
Oh.
Then you're not her.
Why?
I personally think this is the ugliest cosmetics they could ever
No,
make.
it's good, but they always mess up the hat.
I know. Come on, follow me. Come on.
And there's a cool part about this update.
What?
Ah, someone joined. I heard balloons.
Where are you? Go to
Wait, do you have a balloon?
mountain. Bro, where are... Oh, hi. Come on, follow me. Oh, I know how to get out of the map.
That will be for another video.
Hold on, I'm coming over.
See, this kind of ruins it.
Hold up, where are you?
And this part's oh so melted.
Go back up to the slide. Go to the slide.
Okay. What's the point of having a barbecue in mountains? Like,
Where are you?
oh my goodness, the snow?
I don't see you.
Where were you?
Well, let me go to the top of the slide and see if I can see you.
Okay.
Oh, hi. Come on, follow me. Go to clouds. Let's go to clouds.
Why?
To get out of the map.
We're not getting out of the map.
Come on, follow me.
I know either way. Wait, I'm gonna end my video.
What either way?
Wait. Bye. Oh, you want a shout out?
Bye.
Preppy Girl 12. Bye.
Yeah.
Like and subscribe.
Bye. Okay.